Let me show you how to turn an Ethernet cable from looking like this into this. We're gonna need a few tools. The first is a pair of wire cutters, then some wire strippers, and then our RJ45 cap. What you'll notice about this one is it's a pass-through cap, so all the twisted pairs of copper will pass through the end of the connector, making it super easy to crimp. The last tool we'll need is our crimper right here. Now, if you don't have a dedicated wire stripper, most of these tools also allow you to strip back the wire. So let's get to work. Let's strip back about 1.5 inches of our Ethernet cable. We're just going to twist the wire stripper in a circular motion and then pull the jacket off. This is where you're going to want to double check yourself, because if you see any exposed copper, you're going to have to redo the whole thing. Now, let's pull down the twisted pairs because we're going to have to cut this Kevlar that's in our way. Cut it as far down as you can, again, without hurting the copper. And now we're going to untwist all of the twisted pairs. And once you have them all untwisted, you're going to want to straighten them out a little bit. The way I do this is I hold my index finger on the back of the pair, and then I kind of flick up with my thumb, and that really helps to straighten it out. Now, while I'm doing the rest of these, we're going to adhere to the T568B standard. There's two standards, A and B, but honestly, B is the only one that's really used. I wouldn't concern yourself with A, so let's just focus on B for right now. And as you can see, I straightened out all the pairs and they're lined up and ready to go. Now we really just have to straighten them all out together. And the way I do this is kind of take two hands and just wiggle them from side to side, and that really helps straighten out all the pairs and keeps them together. Now we're going to want to cut the end of this thing, make it as flush as we possibly can, and this is ready to be put into the cap. We'll slide it on in just like that. Nice pass-through cap. You're going to want a little bit of the jacket on the inside of the cap. That's a good termination right there. We're going to put it into our tool. It's going to cut the ends of the copper off for us. And this, my friends, is a finished Ethernet cable. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I'll see you next time.